Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to Slam, Impulse, and Indy. Just getting ready. Kind of a cold little morning today, but I packed a hoodie if it gets a little too cold. Luckily, it's an indoor show. Don't have to worry too much. Got the M3 all spiffing up. Oh yeah. She looking real good. But yeah, right now we're just gonna go to the car wash with the guys. Go from there. It's usually an early start since it's an indoor. Oh shoot. I didn't even think about it. It's an indoor car show, so I wonder if the gas has to be a quarter tank. Shit. Well, we'll cross there when we get there, right? But yeah, oh my god. How do you guys do this with one hand while driving a manual? But yeah, we're just gonna be on our way to the car wash real quick. Meet up with the guys. Hopefully everything turns out well. It's just gonna be me and Eric this time. The other guys couldn't make it, unfortunately. But maybe hopefully Clean Culture and Indy we might go. I highly doubt it. I always had a shit experience with Clean Culture. Well, it's Clean Culture Indianapolis specifically. Every year is always some shit show. But maybe this year might be different. I don't know. That's like the gambler mentality. Just keep going. Eventually you're due, right? But who knows? I might go to it. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down. I'll pick you guys back up once I get to the car wash because I usually don't like driving while recording. I'm not one of those guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys there when we're on the way, either on the way to the show, on the side of the road, or when we're there. We'll see you guys there. All right, baby, we met up with the guys. That was kind of gay, not gonna lie. Ooh, that kind of rhymed. I want to be between your thighs. That's all we got. Alright, but for real though, met up with Eric. We're on our way. Hopefully everything turns out well. There's his car. Fucking love that thing. Oh shit. I disabled the fucking zoom. So we gotta do one. No, I'll figure that out. I'm still learning how to use this thing. There he is. We're gonna be on our way. It's about a 2-hour drive, which is not too far. It's normally what it is for me from here to Indy. But luckily, we're all chilling. I didn't fill up the car all the way, considering that it's an indoor car show. And I'm pretty sure there's a fire marshal and all that extra biz. They didn't post it on their Instagram, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty common to you be below a quarter tank at least. But we'll see what happens. Luckily, they didn't say anything, and we shouldn't be worried too much about it. I didn't fill up the car regardless. I just topped her up just enough where I can get to the show without worrying about running out of gas. But yeah, once we're there, I'll pick you guys up. All right, gents, we are here after a 2-hour drive and nearly dying. Going through Indianapolis bullshit highway system. We're finally here. We're just waiting on our turn to get inside. But yeah, I'm a little tired, not gonna lie. And we are very low on gas. Look. I was under the impression we had to keep the gas low, below a quarter of a tank, but I guess not.
All my life I want money and power, respect my mind or die from last shout. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud 9, and this 9 is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and vroom vroom, I'm racing. Popping pills in the lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is hating. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ If I live life on my knees, ain't no need to do this. Park it in front of looters. Next to that church is chicken. All you pussies is losers. All my niggas is winning, screaming all my life. I want money and power. Respect my mind or die from less shout. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I got bitches. Goddamn, I got bitches. Goddamn, I got bitches. Wifey, girlfriend, and mistress. All my life I want money and power. Respect my mind or die from less shout. I got 25 lighter on my dresser. Yes, sir. Put fire to that ass, body cast on a stretcher. And her body got that ass that a ruler couldn't measure. And it make me come fast, but I never get embarrassed. And I recognize you have what I've been wanting since that record that Adina Howard had. Pop it fast to impress her. She rolling, I'm holding my scrotum, imposing. This voice here is golden, so fuck y'all, I goes in. And all my life I want money and power. Respect my mind or die from less shout. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I got bitches.
Broke bitch.
Welcome. Bienvenidos a Caca. Caca. Little Black BRZ.
We're gonna slam impulse, baby. We landed. I hope you guys can hear me a little bit. Really loud. Fuck you, pal. Oh, bitch. Alright, sorry for the loud music. It was really difficult to record in there, but I'll just do a voiceover on these cars specifically since that's when they had the music at the loudest at that point. We had a clean A6, and then I really liked this Miata, which I was surprised by. I'm not a big fan of Miatas. I did like the fact that it had a little Tesla badge on it, which was pretty cool. And I was wondering if it was like a stock factory hardtop, which it looks to be. I wasn't a big fan of the bash bar, but the taillights I do like. And then these E90, oh my god, I love the Workmeisters on this car. I love these Workmeisters. And it was a manual too, which I just love. The E90s with the V8 and the manual, just absolutely the best combo in my opinion. I also noticed like how the paint was, that was a black paint at